Alright guys, it's a little bit cold this morning. It's also a little bit wet this morning, but fortunately we got something we can do even with a little damp. We're going to church this morning. We got some digging to do at the church right down the road. Cleaning out to get ready to pour a retainer wall behind the playground. And then we have a bunch, probably 2 loads of riprap to put down. We're going to try to get both of those done today. So stay tuned, and that's what we're doing. Alright, trucks went past me. They're right over there. They're turned around, coming back this way. We're gonna pull them in, back them up to this curb, and just try to dump them right over it, and then we're gonna spread all that rock in this island here. All right, so I got those 2 loads spread out, and we are just a little bit right there short. Fortunately, up the road here just a little ways, I got about that much laying there that I am gonna go get and bring down here, and hopefully that's enough. So we're gonna go get the little 1-ton dump truck, load it up with the Mini X, and then come back down here and dump that last little bit of rock, and hopefully that's enough and we don't got to go to the quarry today. All right, so we got it finished up. Ended up, I went up to the shop, was gonna load what I had up there, and where it's been moved around so much at the shop, it had a lot of dirt in it, and it was a lot smaller riprap, just because they had, you know, sometimes it varies day to day at this quarry. And anyway, long story short, I went ahead and got in the bigger dump truck, went after a load, came back, dipped it out of the back of the truck like you just saw, and we're moving on to the next project. All right, guys, so first time we've been back to the church in a while, but they got this retainer wall poured, and we got gravel here ready to backfill. I just put our pipe in. We're gonna do something a little different. I haven't tried this with this coupler, but I think we can turn our bucket around backwards and put it on that way, and we're gonna try that so that we can very carefully and easily put gravel in and cover that pipe without it getting moved all around first. right, guys, we're on the gravel. We put 3 loads in. We're gonna call for another 3, but that's probably gonna be a wrap on this video. Because finishing this up is gonna be pretty boring. But the backwards bucket, I feel like worked out pretty good. I appreciate y'all watching, and if you don't mind, it'd help a lot if you'd leave a comment and give me some feedback on how you're liking the video so far, what you might want to see next, and leave a like if you enjoyed it. So appreciate y'all watching, and I'll catch y'all on the next one.